Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree, and for today's video we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing. This is November's Boxycharm, and let me tell you, I think I'm quite impressed with this month's box. So this is Gold Digger. This is November's Boxycharm, and let's just get right into this and I will tell you what it was that I got and the prices of each product that I received. So the first thing I see here is Cover FX Glitter Drops in Nova. This is $44. This right here is $44. Oops, it was upside down. This is about a 0.5 floral ounce. So yeah, this thing right here is $44. So let me take it out. Let me show you what it looks like. So it's a little droplet. So you're just gonna squeeze a little thing on top, and then this is what it is. So let me just swatch it for you. Ooh, it's very beautiful. Just look at that. Gorgeous. I just want to put this all over my face. Woo, nice. The next thing I see here is the eyeshadow palette by Ace Beauté. And this is the Grandoise palette. This is $24.99. There went that little plastic strip. Oh well. And this is what the palette looks like. Very beautiful, very fall. I just love this packaging. Just look at this. This reminds me of the Art Deco from the 1920s. Oh, I just love Art Deco. I just love anything from the Roaring 20s. Just so beautiful. Just look at these colors. Let me swatch a couple of these for you. So I'm just gonna take Primrose, Poppy, Rose, and I'm going to just do a quick swatch. Ooh, ooh, yes, I think I'm already in love with this box. So the next thing I see here that I got in my box is by Luxie. This is the Luminous Eye Set. This goes for $21. I believe I saw in the Insta stories on Instagram, Luxie created these brushes, the packaging that is, specifically for this month's box, and I believe all of these brushes are kind of little. Oh, they don't want to come out. Okay, I got them out. So this is the Luxie 121 mini tapered brush. It looks like this. This will be great for doing like really good detail work in like the crease or just out here in the outer corner. Just really good. This is the 131 mini angled brush. I like to use these brushes to like pack on color on the lid, or to bring it out, or just to help, you know, really put color here, or just, you know, you can use this brush for anything. I think I've seen a couple tutorials where some girls like to contour, but I never contour, so I usually use brushes like this just to apply, you know, shimmery shades on my eyelid. This is the 111 mini flat angled brush. So this is what that looks like. This would be great for like packing on things. If I could really guess, I would say this would be really good for like inner corner here, or maybe like really good detail here under the brow bone, or you can use it to help conceal imperfections on your face. And then last but very not least is the 141 mini round brush. So this looks like a little pencil brush. So this would be really good for like really smoking out things. Just, you can use these brushes for anything that you deem fit. You could even use this brush for contouring, or you can use this brush for contouring, or hell, you can use any of these brushes for contouring. Just, there's no right or wrong with these brushes. Okay, so I got the Jante Blue. This is the glittering star eyeliner in black color. So if you open it up, it has actual tiny little bit of glitter. As you can see, it has a tiny little bit of glitter. I believe I've gotten a Jante Blue brand before eyeliner, and I believe I got it in brown, and it's really, really good. This is also really, really good. So I could tell, because I have something like this before, you can use this and you can smoke it out because it's really blendable. And then once it dries down, it'll just stay put. So this is a really good brand. I really do like Chanté Bleu. And this is $5. Okay, so last but very not least is Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. The ones I got is Instaglam False Eyelashes. And these are $14.99. Aren't these beautiful? Just wispy, just very glam lashes. All right, so let's try all these things on. Okay, so I did the face off camera, and all that I did was use my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm in the shade Medium Tan Honey, and I used my Benefit Boeing Airbrush Concealer. Really love this stuff. It gives me flawless under eyes. And I'm gonna try out these brushes that I bought at, wait for it, Bath & Body Works. Yes, if you didn't know, now you know. Bath & Body Works sells makeup brushes. Who would have thought, right? Bath & Body Works. And if you don't believe me, the name says it all. And what these are in here are tiny little specks of gold stars encrypted inside of this acrylic or plasticky handle. And these are very soft brushes. So today is the first day that I'm going to be using these brushes. So I'm going to use this brush as a powder brush. And I'm going to be using my Peach Perfect. This is my holy grail, my #1 powder. I'll say powder brush. And I'm just going to put some powder on here. And the next thing I want to use is this angled brush here, and I'm just going to take my CoverGirl. This is the Peach Punch Highlighter Palette. It's peach scented. I just love this bronzer. As you can see, I kind of made a little bit of a dip in there. So I'm just going to take some of that, and I'm going to put some on my brush, and I'm just going to give it a little dash in the air, and I'm just going to put this under my cheeks. Whoa. And I'm going to be using this brush for blush, and I'm going to be using the Pretty Vulgar. This is the, I can never tell if this is the Make Them blush or if this is called Hush Blush. I don't know because I don't know. You see that? I don't know if this is Make Them Blush or Hush Blush 18. I'm assuming it's Hush Blush 18, but I could be really wrong. Now I'm just gonna line my eyes with the Chanté Bleu. Now I'm just gonna take this brush, and I'm just gonna try to bring out this Chanté Bleu just a little bit. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera as well, and all I used was my Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil in 220 Dark Brown. So the next thing I'm going to be using on my face is the Cover FX Droplets, and I'm going to be using my Moda brush. This is that little tiny brush that I like to use for highlighters. So here goes nothing. Hopefully this does not look terrible. So here we go. I'm just gonna do a little thing here, so I don't really know what I'm doing, and then I'm just going to hope to God that I don't mess this up. Oh wow, that is very reflective. A little bit under my brow bone now. Now I gotta do what I did. Do the other side. On camera, it looks very beautiful. It's very highlighted, but when I'm looking in the mirror, I can definitely see chunks of glitter on my face. Okay, so I am back. I put on the lashes, so this is what they look like on, and my lip color is this by Too Faced. This is the Melted Matte Cinnamon Bear. I got it in this 4-pack here. You can find this at, I believe I got it at Sephora for $25, and I love these shades. I use every single one of them except for, I believe it's Sugar Cookie, because it's very, very nude and I can't figure out how to wear that one just yet. Still playing around with them. So altogether, the box comes out to $109.98. That is expensive. And like always, you never pay that with your Boxycharm. You always pay $21 a month for every single product. Especially when this thing right here, this thing is $44. Come on. This box is a win in my book. So let me talk about the things that I loved and the things that I were like, or I didn't like them at all. So starting with the cover effects. Now, I really like this. I like it because it gives me this beautiful glow. But I don't like the chunky glitter. So if you're somebody who does not like chunky, highlighty glitter stuff on your face, do not get this because this has chunky glitter in it. But if you don't mind and you really like it, then this is the way to go. It blended really well. It gave me this beautiful glow. Yeah, that's all I can say about it, is that it's really good stuff. The Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. Where do I begin with this eyeshadow palette? I think I'm in love. I think I want to marry this palette and have its eyeshadow babies. I love this palette. It is so gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's very fall. It'll take me into winter. Heck, I'll even use this pink during spring. I just want to be with this palette all day, every day. I love this palette. I can't get enough of it. I'm already thinking about ways that I could use this palette. I just want to use it and just I just want to use it. Brushes. I really like these little brushes. I really like that they're tiny, they're nice and thin. These would be really great for traveling. If you're not trying to take, you know, a bunch of brushes with you, you just want specific brushes that are not going to take up room, these are the brushes. And I think you could do a lot of things with these brushes. And I think these are definitely worth it. I like these brushes a lot. To be honest, I didn't think I was gonna like them because they were so tiny, especially this tiny little blending brush. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but it's actually pretty good. These are like a big winner in my book. Now I'm gonna talk about something that I'm a little bit not too excited about, but is iffy. Even though Jante Blue is a good eyeliner company, I'm not sure if they make other things. I have not looked into it. I have a problem with the chunky glitter within the eyeliner itself. Now, my problem with this is that what happens when this chunky glitter gets into your eyes? I could kind of already feel some of the glitter kind of coming down a little bit. And you know, my face is oily, so are my eyelids. So I know at the end of the day, when all of this starts to look bad at the end of the day, I'm worried about where that glitter is gonna go. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to get this glitter in my eye. So, I mean, if you're into glitter eyeliner, be warned that this could possibly get into your eye and possibly scratch up your eyes. It's just something that kind of made it down to the list, only because of the glitter within the eyeliner. That's the only downfall here. I love these lashes. They're really, really great. I love how they make my eyes look very feminine, and I just feel so like flirty. Like I just want to, you know, I just want to do that all day, even though I probably will freak somebody out. So other than that, everything I loved in this box. I absolutely loved it, except for the eyeliner. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So, bye!